Hello there, this is Jackson with Backwoods Gaming, and our second devlog for PANDO Engines. It's a game where you work with a team of friends to build a modular tank, and then after completing your build, you will have a set of objectives to complete, all while maintaining the operations and functionality on your tank. This past week we were able to finally get an artist. We didn't start off with an artist because I told Ollie and the team we didn't need one to make a fun game. The level of my intellect is transcendent beyond mortal comprehension, but in the end, turns out I was wrong. I realized that you can't make a very fun game without an artist. So this is Katie. She's our newest member and our artist. Katie's a unique individual. She's currently one of the 12 people who still play Dota instead of League of Legends, and she has a unique passion for cats. Katie has been working on creating concept art for different segments for the tanks. She's designed some concepts for what the main room will look like. Here in the main room, you'll have a variety of operations to keep the ship running. Our original concepts for the living quarters were too small for all the different tasks you would need to complete. Because of this, we decided to make the living quarters twice the size as the other modular rooms. You can now fit 2 other rooms on each side of the living quarters. Our game designer Sam has also been hard at work creating many tasks that you will need to do in order to help maintain the ship. This first task is an example of having to fill the engine with some oil. Our game developers have been working on creating the logic for the ship segments and having them connect with the main living quarters. This has been a little more difficult since the living quarters can now fit 2 normal segments on each side. There are 2 basic components that you can use to build your ship. The first components or segments are the ones that you can walk through. This will be things like hallways and the living quarters. And the second components are things that you can't walk through but you can still interact with. These will most likely be placed on the outside of the ship and will be things like turrets, engines, and plating. All in all, we've been making some great progress, but that's everything that we have to show you for this week. Thanks again, and please consider subscribing to show your support and interest.